Alright guys, we got a Stryker 955, same place. This thing was low on power, wouldn't put on no power. So wouldn't make no watts. Ended up putting a set of finals in. Don't think I'm trying to get into working on radios. Like I said, this is a good amp customer and kind of swindled me into this. We got him up and running. We're just going to show you she works. Look at 100 watt slug. PP.
Nello, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, working my little Stryker. 1, 2, 3, working my little Stryker. Get on down, getting on down. Just a little test review. Show you my little Stryker's working. There's the SWR0. Worldwide, Stryker, getting on down. But she's doing what she ought to be doing. The old 955, as I say, 40 watt Stryker. She's a working. Get on down, get on down.
Alright folks, hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend 10-018 Boosters. Catch you later.